a healthy lifestyle not only changes your body, it also changes your mind, your attitude and your mood. And slowly the people are realizing it that health is so important, and in reality it is something which can never be ignored at any cost. The number of people interested in a healthy lifestyle is increasing day by day. Hello, this is Poonam from Cyberscam Review. And so today I will be talking about Optimum Blaze product which claims to help men achieve their fitness goals a lot faster compared to the natural methods. At the time of writing this review, this product is nowhere to be found on the internet, and that is a very alarming factor. All of their claims sound good in theory, but due to lack of adequate data, we aren't unsure about the effectiveness in real life. In the past, thousands of supplements have claimed to make people stronger. However, the majority of them never works, and there is just no alternative to organic and natural methods of building immunity and stamina. The health and fitness sector is full of bogus programs and supplements that promise instant gratification. They carry the highest level of risk, and the user should never switch to new products without consulting their doctors. Remember, everyone has a unique body type. Calorie intake and such as the nutrition requirement from one person to another varies a lot. What is Optimum Blaze supplement? Optimum Blaze was a very hot product for a considerable amount of time in the health and fitness niche. Many people promoted the supplement aggressively, and from blogs to YouTube channels, it was something which was endorsed everywhere. Nonetheless, it doesn't necessarily mean the product itself was effective, but it shows the amount of marketing efforts put in by the creators. Presently, the official website of Optimum Blaze is down, and given the amount of controversies it is involving, the chances of comeback are low. We did run a thorough check and surfed the web archives, but sadly we couldn't find any detail of the owners. Their business model was not as transparent as it should have been, and the questions left unanswered by them are many. In short, the firm doesn't have any credibility, and as such you should be very careful while using any of their products. Nowadays, every health supplement claims to contain natural ingredients. For some reason, people always prefer the organic approach. But things are not always that simple, and unless you know your health condition well, there is margin for error. If you are in doubt, always consult a general physician before consuming new supplements and take a professional opinion. As far as Optimum Blaze is considered, it contains the following ingredients. First one is citrulline maleate, which provides extra energy to help muscle function, similarly gives them confidence to fight premature fatigue. Second is zinc oxide. Zinc is potentially able to improve the repair cycle of muscles. It repairs muscle wounds in a very limited time. Nutrition B12. Without the right mineral component, you cannot get the right weight. Nutrient B12 encourages that. Nitric oxide, which is a type of determinant that regulates blood pressure. L-arginine, which is an ingredient raises the level of blood circulation in the internal organs to control muscle growth. Note that all the ingredients listed by them are safe, but just like we mentioned, one should not change the intake without consulting a doctor. Their advantage. Every year there will always be a new product which claims to change the landscape of the fitness niche. The hype around this sector is huge, and as people don't have the understanding of the way our body works, they sadly are gullible enough to believe ridiculous narratives. We are not saying that all health supplements are fake, but the vast majority of them indeed are. On the bright side, we did come across a few alleged benefits of using this product, and they are: it is said to increase testosterone levels in men. The end product contains safe ingredients which are commonly found in most health supplements. It is said to help regulate blood pressure and enhance endurance. As every coin has two sides, so every product must be having disadvantage also. Surprisingly, we didn't find any information on the demerits of the product online. Most of the fellow review sites we cannot came across share details about the merits and have completely ignored the other half of the equation. Nonetheless, we believe people should know about both the good and bad part before trying out any supplement. So here are the main issues with this firm. All of the claims are not backed up and any solid research or data. The owners are anonymous and the business model is not transparent. the customer reviews are not present on the web. If you are looking to buy anything online, then checking user feedback is your duty. In most cases, it will alert you about the way the firms are functioning, and it will also give you the best view about their actual reputation. If you Google Optimum Blaze reviews, apart from few exaggerated comments on some websites, there isn't much to see. Given their popularity, the lack of feedback is a strange aspect and it severely affects their image. We suggest our audience not to buy any of their goods for the time being unless more feedback on the internet pops up. After all, there is no point in taking risks, especially when health concerns are involved. Is Optimum Blaze a scam? In some simple words, due to lack of data, we can't take a firm stance about them. Note that we are not saying that they are squeaky clean, but they haven't displayed any grave concerns either. It is undeniable that most of the statements are not backed up by solid data. However, some people might like their product for personal reasons. At this point, we feel it is better to give them the benefit of the doubt. Optimum Blaze supplement is controversial product which may or may not be beneficial to everyone. So be careful if you choose to use it. But before consuming it, do not forget to pay a visit to your doctor. Have you used Optimum Blaze supplement? Are you happy with the results? Share your answers on our official website. Thank you.